Let's break down the Swiss Army Triplet, shall we? Let's go. Okay, so the Swiss Army Triplet is a flam rudiment, and it's in triplet form, hence the name Swiss Army Triplet. What we do, we start with a flam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my primary stroke up like this, and then this, where I'm going to be playing that secondary note, down here, pretty close to the pad. What's going to happen is if I drop both sticks, this one's going to land first. This primary stroke, I'm not going to allow the stick to bounce all the way up. My fingers back here, boop, 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 boop. Hold the stick in. Closed stroke. So when I do this, I have that. Now my next stroke is going to be with my right hand, a tap. The last part of the triplet is going to be with my left hand. So those two notes is just two taps, tap, tap. Loud accent stroke, two quieter taps. Then of course you try left hand. Cool? Okay, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.